Try mo papakit. Okay. Announcement guys, another car, another money. So welcome to B Garage once again. So meron tayong client dito all the way from Batangas. And dinala dito yung kanyang unit na Mirage G4 Mitsubishi. So ito guys, as you can see, tapos na siya. Actually tapos na siya guys. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ang repaint dito na part, yung panel is itong kanyang side uh, left driving door. Ayan. So as you can see guys, tugma-tugma yung kanyang kulay sa kanyang stock na kulay. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ayan. Ito guys, yung kanyang final touch-up. As you can see, nabakbak siya dahil sa maulan. Ayan. So, ita-touch up yan guys kasi ang process dito is before releasing, make sure na detail muna yung kanyang yung mga kotse. So, as you can see guys, dime. So, as you can see guys, ayan, yung kanyang gasgas, ayan, you can see. Ita-touch up pa yan guys, hindi pa yan siya tapos. Tapos, ayan guys, makikita nyo yung kanyang color is magenta pink. So, napakaganda ng kulay niya. Stock pa yan guys. It's just that na-repaint lang yung kanyang side quarter panel. So, as you can see yan, na full detail na yan. Ayan, na-car wash na rin. At kung makikita nyo naman, napaka-kintab niya. So, parang bagong-bago talaga yung dating, no? So, ayan, lahat na buffing. Ito, kasama pong kanyang wing sa likod. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang mga mugs. So, sa inside naman, tingnan natin. Sa inside naman guys, as you can see, nakatakip pa yan nangyari yung mga pings niya kasi iniwasan namin talaga yung dumi dito kasi yung talagang pinaka-goal namin dito is yung quality. No? Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, napakalinis. Wala kang makikita dumi. Kahit ni isang butil lang dumi, wala kang makikita. Ayan. So, pakita mo to Kuya Dong, pati yung kanyang mga dashboard. Ayan. Sige. Okay. And then, sa kanyang likod, ayan. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakalinis, no? Walang dumi. Lahat na detail yan, guys, na chemical na rin yan. Ayan. Ayan, sa kanyang engine bay, tingnan natin. Yung kanyang engine bay, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ayan. Pakita mo na ako, Kuya Dong. Baka mag-curious yung ating mga viewers dyan. Titingnan natin yung kanyang engine bay. So, kanyang engine bay, ayan, na-dressing na rin to guys. Ayan, as you can see, napakalinis niya. At the same time, parang maintain talaga siya. So, as you can see, wala kang makikitang any kinds of dumi or any kinds of debris no, na iwan ng dumi. Ayan, yung kanyang engine equipped with 1.3 liter. Ayan. So, UMIVEC na rin yan guys. Ayan. So, ganyan kami dito guys. Ang talagang pinaka-mission namin dito is yung quality at the same time, yung good services. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, ayan, ang dami naming mga ibang unit. So, right here, ito yung kanyang mobilyo. Ayan. So, ito, actually guys, gagawin namin ng ibang content to. So, stay tuned lang kayo sa aming, stay tuned lang kayo sa aming page. Ayan, once again, thank you for watching and kindly support us and visit our page bgarage.ph.